Udakuna ZBC here, udakuna TV yako space. So share news and anytime, guys. I want to show you how to download ZBC TV on Play Store, on Google Play Store. Please follow us on Zimtech Prime on YouTube. Like, share and subscribe. Chokutanga click ichi pakan the Play Store. Ma click upon the Play Store, yavura Play Store and yavura. It is not that data, guys. And it's not that data. Come on internet and Wi-Fi and then no better click upon the search. Or click upon search. Or click upon search bar ngirichi kumusoro. Then make sure the Play Store yakwekadi yaka update. It up to date. And then use ngakunete isoso. And then uba bandi for Z ABC TV. And then we are not good for the TV. And then uba babu. And then uba babu tabi akubulitira application iri. And then iri ndo application ya tukudairuri. And then tabi akubulitira chi application iri. And then uba babu kanzi install. Uba babu kanzi install. Zako indirana. And then the internet ya kuti iri fast is wakadi. And then monthly I advise bana kushansa chi Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi is best. And then, so Dr. Amkana uno kukuta guys kuti if this video rakuba try, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share budangana what did you kuba video edu, comment in comment section. And then kuti wanochi simba kwa machukupachi ma video. And then ya peta kudi install, ya peta ku download, then goes ningi ya ku install, ya peta ku install. And unoguna iwe unoguna ku open ati application yako ni app. And it's not going to directly ku application. And or unoguna ku kutoba ku Play Store, waba ku Play Store. And unotoka application yako hadi kwa install. Saka itisu application yako install itisu ndi review ndi iri ndi dema. Then iro application chaptari baya and ibaravura. ZBC TV online aina baka ni kulta login and ngo install ni kutanga lushandisa. And guys, all my videos ago and my televisions, my drama, TV singe zilipo online. And I do my televisions ZBC TV and do my television anytime, anywhere. You can watch your TV and you can listen to the radio. And all the radio, send out radio, losable radio, Kulmani radio, I have a kulonjwa manja pamarundira, Kulmani radio E. And then classic G 263 Power FM radios, my radios. And please guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the television, enjoy the radio. Thank you so much. Welcome to Zimbabwe.